Alright, so today we're going to get started making jackfruit pulled pork. The ingredients include green jackfruit and brine, black pepper, Himalaya salt, garlic salt, chili powder, paprika. And then you're going to coat the jackfruit. Make sure you cut the core out. This is how it's going to look once you mix your barbecue seasoning. After you do that, you're going to add it into the pan, and you're going to cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. So you're just going to kind of let it cook and do its work for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's finished cooking for 2 to 3 minutes, then you're going to add the barbecue sauce. Now, the ingredients for this is 1 ounce can of brine. Make sure it's in brine or in water. Make sure you rinse it and drain it. Then you're going to cut out the core, throw the core away. Next, get a mixing bowl. Add barbecue seasoning to the jackfruit. That'll be 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of pink Himalaya salt, and half a teaspoon of chili powder. You're gonna toss all that up into a bowl. After you do that, add it into a large saucepan. So now it's starting to cook. This is how it's going to look when you're cooking it. So you see how it's breaking up. So this is a new experiment for me. I'm trying it. I'm going to turn it down a little bit. Don't want to burn it. For the first time cooking it. So I'm going to finish cooking it, and then I will show you what it looks like afterwards.